Are you tired of seeing hair all over your pillow, comb, and bathroom floor? What if I tell you that the solution to hair fall is already in your kitchen? Yes, I am talking about one simple ingredient like dark purple onion. Today I'll show you how this powerful natural remedy can help control hair fall and boost healthy growth. Onion has been used for centuries in natural hair care, but not just any onion. For best results, always choose dark purple color onion. Why? Because dark purple onions are richer in antioxidants and sulfur compared to light or white onions. The deep purple color shows higher levels of powerful plant compounds that help nourish your scalp. I didn't have dark purple onion, so I am using this onion. It has the light color. Now let's understand why onion is so effective for hair fall. First, the most important thing is that onion is rich in sulfur. Hair is made of protein called keratin, and sulfur is one of its main building blocks. When your scalp gets enough sulfur, it helps strengthen hair roots, reduce breakage, and support new hair growth. Onion improves blood circulation. When you apply onion juice on your scalp, it increases blood flow to hair follicles. And onion has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Many times hair fall is caused by scalp infections, dandruff, or itchiness. Dark purple onion helps clean the scalp naturally and keeps it healthy. It helps reduce premature graying because of its antioxidants content. Onion fights free radicals that damage hair cells. Now let's move to the simple and powerful recipe. Here is how you can make onion juice at home. Take one or two medium-sized dark purple onions. Make sure they are fresh and firm. Peel the onion and cut it into small pieces. I'm cutting it. You can also add some pieces of ginger. Ginger and onion is the best combination for hair. Put the onion into a blender, add a small amount of water, just enough to help it blend smoothly. I am taking 1 cup of water. Don't add too much water because we want a concentrated juice. Blend it until it shows the thick juice. This juice is ready now. Now it's time to strain it. Take a thin cotton fabric uh, and place it over a bowl and pour the blended mixture onto the cloth. Squeeze it gently to extract the juice. This will separate the liquid from the pulp. The smooth onion juice will collect in the bowl. Now here comes the special addition. Add half teaspoon of amba turmeric into the onion juice and mix it well. Why amba turmeric? Amba turmeric is known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. It helps soothe the scalp, reduce irritation, and control dandruff. When combined with onion juice, it becomes even more powerful for fighting hair fall and scalp problems. Store this juice in a glass bottle. Keep it in fridge for long-term use. Now let's talk about how to use it properly before shampooing your hair. Apply this onion and amba turmeric mixture directly onto your scalp. Use your fingertips or a cotton ball to apply it evenly. Focus mainly on the roots, not just the hair length. After applying, gently massage your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. This improves absorption and increases blood circulation. If your hair is brittle, please don't massage it. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes. After that, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. You can use a gentle herbal or sulfate-free shampoo to avoid dryness. If you can't tolerate the smell of onion, apply the paste of gram flour after shampooing. This makes remove the smell and give your hair shine. Make the gram flour paste with water. For best results, use this remedy 2 times a week consistently for at least 1 month. Natural remedies need patience, but they give long term benefits. Now, let's quickly talk about some additional benefits of dark purple onion for hair. It helps add natural shine to dull hair. It reduces scalp oiliness by balancing sebum production. It supports thicker hair growth over time. It may help reduce patchy hair thinning when used regularly. It strengthens weak root and reduces excessive shedding. And not only for hair, onion also has benefit for overall health. It supports heart health, improves immunity, and helps fight inflammation inside the body. One important tip I am giving you: always do a patch test before applying onion juice fully on your scalp. Apply a little behind your ear and wait for 15 minutes to check for any irritation. If you have any sensitive skin or any scalp condition, consult a doctor before trying. So, next time, before spending money on expensive hair treatments, remember your kitchen has a powerful solution. Simple, natural, affordable, effective. Try this dark purple onion remedy and give your hair the strength it truly deserves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural hair care tips. See you in the next video.